back. Today I have an unboxing, a true unboxing to share with you. As you can see, this little box here is from Chanel, and I got this one from my best friend. She just got back from Japan last night and she sent this to me this morning, and I was very excited to share with you guys. So I haven't opened it yet, but I know what's inside, so let's just get to this unboxing. Okay, so this is the, I think the booklet or something like that, and this is the velvet pouch that always comes with the Chanel SLG, and let's get to it. Okay, so oh my god, it's so pretty. This is the Chanel small wallet in caviar leather in black with silver hardware, and it has the burgundy lining. It's so pretty, guys. So I have been looking for this wallet and I'm so happy I finally got one. Initially I looked for the black with gold hardware, but my friend said that at the time she went to the Chanel boutique, they just got this black with silver hardware and no other colors. This is the last one from the boutique at that day, so I finally settled for the silver, which I'm very happy about. It's pretty too. The caviar is very grainy and not as shiny as I imagined, but anyway, it's very beautiful. It has 6 card slots here with 1 slip pocket for your bills, and this is the authenticity card. It's from the 25 series, and this has 1 slip pocket over here too. So it looks like so, and I'm so excited right now. Very pretty. And let's peel this plastic here. So it's a shiny silver hardware. It's quite thin in my opinion. I want to compare this wallet with my Victorine wallet, the Louis Vuitton Victorine wallet, but at the time when if you know, if you notice, I just got my Gucci card holder. Let me get it for you. This is my Gucci card holder. I got it around a week ago, a little more than a week ago, and when I got this one and I used this one, I just instantly love this one, and I decided to put my Victorine wallet on sale, and it was sold really quickly, so I just didn't have the time to compare them. Now I don't have the wallet to compare to the Chanel one, but I will link the video down below of my Victorine wallet comparison to my Chanel coin purse, and my reason why that Victorine wallet didn't work out for me. So I cannot wait too long to let it go, and yep, now I got this wallet, and I will let you know once I use it whether I like it or not. but seems like I'm going to love this one. And well, let's see guys. My only downside for this wallet is that the zipper is on the outside here, is on the back. I'm a bit worried if I use my leather bag with the leather lining. I'm afraid this will make a dent to the inside lining. But anyway, I figured something out. Right now I'm just excited to use this one. This one is for coins and the lining is from fabric in burgundy. Let me see the inside. Oh, I forgot. Okay, the inside lining is in leather, but this part is in fabric lining. This one too in fabric, and this part in leather. So hope you have the idea. Okay guys, that's all for my unboxing today, and hope to see you again soon. I almost forgot to show you the good part. And can you see that? It's made in France, which is so exciting. That's all guys. See you again soon. Bye bye.